After a brief respite from the heat wave, the Indian Meteorological Department has once again warned that Delhi's maximum temperature will reach 47 degrees Celsius in the coming days. An orange alert has been issued for the National Capital Region from June 11 to June 13. On June 10th, Delhi's maximum temperature crossed 43 degrees Celsius for the second consecutive day. The weather department reported a high of 43.4 degrees Celsius, which is 3.5 degrees above the season's average. According to the India Meteorological Department, some areas even experienced temperatures over 46 degrees Celsius, with Narela recording the highest at 46.6 degrees Celsius, followed by Nazafgarh at 46.3 degrees Celsius, Ayanagar at 44.7 degrees Celsius, Lodi Road at 43.8 degrees Celsius, and Palam at 44.1 degrees Celsius. The IMD has put Delhi on an orange alert from June 11 to 13, while a yellow alert remains in place for June 14 due to potential heatwave-like conditions. The department has forecast maximum and minimum temperatures of 44 and 30 degrees Celsius respectively. According to the IMD, a heat wave is declared when the maximum temperature at an IMD weather station in the plains reaches at least 40 degrees Celsius and at least 30 degrees Celsius in hilly regions for a minimum of 2 consecutive days across at least 2 stations in a meteorological subdivision.
दिल्ली में इतना भयंकर गर्मी है तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि जिसको ज़रूरत है, जिसको इम्पोर्टेंट है, वही घर से बाहर निकले, अदर पर्सन घर से बाहर ना निकले। टेम्परेचर इतना है, जैसे मैं हॉस्पिटल से जॉब करती हूँ तो डेली हम लोग देख रहे हैं ब्रेन हेमरेज के इतने केसेस आ रहे हैं।
गर्मी अदरवाइज बहुत ज़्यादा है और हालत इतनी ख़राब है, बस से बदतर हालत है गर्मी की वजह से कि जिससे बस राहत है नहीं। छाया में भी बैठने के बाद कोई राहत नहीं है।
गर्मी बहुत ज़्यादा, तापमान बहुत ज़्यादा हाई हो गया गर्मी का। अब चलते हैं तो ऐसा लगता है कि मुंह पे कोई थप्पड़ मार रहा हो, इतना मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा जीना मुश्किल हो गया है।
The monsoon is generally expected to arrive in Delhi by end of June. According to IMD's long-range forecast, the monsoon is expected to reach the capital city between June 25th and June 30th.